Hi y'all, I just wanted to show you these Glamnetic Press On Nails. This color is Cherry Glaze and they're short round. I don't really wear things like this or really have worried about, besides, keeping your nails clean and file down. Never really used this kind of stuff, but I really like these. I know red for me, it's just beautiful. They pressed on really easy. It comes with your stick of glue, which you put on your nail and then on the underside of the press on nail, and you hold it, you put it on and you just hold it for 10 to 20 seconds. And I did that with all of them. It took me about 30 minutes because I guess I'm not used to it. But also comes with, if you get a little glue that comes out on the side, just go ahead and do this to clear it off. I have had these on for 4 days and they've stayed on very nicely. It comes with a file. You can either clip these or file them down. They this pack came with 44 nails in 15 different sizes, and you just match up to your size before you decide, before you glue them on. I really like them. I think I'm gonna keep buying these Glamnetics just to get some more colors. Really fun. Thanks for watching.